Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Vavologist, and in this video I am going to teach you how to install Tailwind with React. So let's get through in it. So at first all you need is to just search Tailwind React in Google, and after that just click on the first link, and if you click, this page will be ostensible. And all I need is to just follow step 1 and copy these codes, and I just open my VS Code, my VS Code's terminal, and I just paste those codes here. So just pay attention that this text, my project text, is the name of your project. So if you change the text, your project's name will be changed. But I just go by default and I just press enter, and yeah, React is been installing, and as you're seeing, I just have to wait for React to be installed. Fortunately, React is installed, and all we need is to install Tailwind, our CSS framework. So I just get back to the page I have mentioned before, and I just follow step 2 and copy those codes, and I just paste them in my VS Code terminal again, and I just press enter. And after that, the Tailwind is installed, and we just have to do some configuration for working with Tailwind. So I just follow step 3 and copy those codes, and I just open my project folder, and I just open tailwind.config.js and replace those codes here. After that, all I need is to just follow step 4, and I just copy those codes, and I open source folder, and after that index.css, and I paste those codes at the top of the all codes. And I want to just try and test it to be assured that my project is working. So I just open app.js, and I just write a h1 tag, and between h1 tag I just write the Vavologist, and I just test it. So yeah, we are seeing that we have a plain text. I am going to make it red with Tailwind. So I just write a class name, and I just say that the text must be red, and after that I just tested that Tailwind is working or not. So fortunately, yeah, as we're seeing, we nailed it and we achieved the goal to install Tailwind with React. And thank you all guys for watching the whole video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. See you in the next video.